Hey again, this is Andy from potatoesandpearls.com, and in this video I am going to be showing you how I make my slow cooker creamy chicken with dill roasted potatoes. This video is going to be a little bit different than my normal videos. I'm not going to be really talking throughout the video. I just have some nice music and I have all the ingredients that will pop up on the screen and the times that it takes to cook the chicken and the potatoes. I will also include a list of ingredients below in the description box. I hope you guys enjoy this video, just like a little quick Sunday dinner to kind of give you maybe an idea for something that you could eat in the future, and we'll get into it right after this. And that's it. We have our chicken and our dill roasted potatoes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I may start doing little videos like this where it's not really talking, but it's like, you know, nice, peaceful, putting together just a little dinner. You could add another vegetable if you wanted, like a broccoli or green beans. I just threw this together quickly. I made enough, the 2 pounds of chicken made enough for me to have, I believe, 3 or 4 servings out of this. The potatoes are, roasted potatoes are one of my favorites, so it's just always a staple in my house to just have some potatoes. I hope that this was helpful and informative. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you are into food videos, don't forget to click that subscribe button. I post mostly every week, but during this separation, I've kind of been off schedule. But I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.